Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a topic that's all too common: bloating. If you're someone who experiences bloating frequently, then you know just how uncomfortable and frustrating it can be. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to share some valuable tips and insights on how to prevent bloating and reduce discomfort. So, let's get started. Bloating is a common and often uncomfortable digestive issue that can be caused by a variety of factors, such as dietary habits, medication use, and certain medical conditions. Bloating is often characterized by a feeling of fullness or tightness in the stomach and can be accompanied by other symptoms such as gas, abdominal pain, and discomfort. However, with the right knowledge and lifestyle changes, it is possible to prevent and manage bloating. In this video, we will share valuable tips and insights on how to prevent bloating, so you may never have to experience it again. Identify food triggers. One of the most common causes of bloating is dietary habits, particularly the consumption of certain foods that can cause gas and bloating. Identifying these food triggers and making appropriate dietary changes can help prevent bloating. Some common culprits include high-fat foods, processed and fried foods, carbonated beverages, dairy products, artificial sweeteners, and high-fiber foods, such as beans and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. Keeping a food diary and tracking your symptoms can help identify specific foods that trigger bloating, allowing you to avoid them in the future. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Eating large meals can cause the stomach to become distended, leading to bloating. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help prevent bloating by reducing the volume of food in the stomach at any given time. Additionally, chewing your food thoroughly and eating slowly can aid digestion, helping to prevent bloating. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can contribute to bloating by causing constipation, which can lead to the buildup of gas in the intestines. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help prevent constipation and bloating. Additionally, avoiding beverages that contain caffeine or alcohol, which can be dehydrating, can help prevent bloating. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help prevent bloating by promoting healthy digestion and bowel movements. Exercise can also help relieve stress, which can contribute to digestive issues such as bloating. Engaging in activities such as walking, jogging, yoga, or Pilates can be beneficial for preventing bloating. Manage stress. Stress can be a significant contributor to bloating by causing digestive issues such as constipation and indigestion. Learning stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help prevent stress-related bloating. Additionally, engaging in activities that promote relaxation and stress relief, such as getting a massage or taking a warm bath, can help prevent bloating. Avoid carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages, including soda, sparkling water, and beer, can contribute to bloating by introducing gas into the digestive system. Avoiding carbonated beverages or limiting their consumption can help prevent bloating. Try probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in the digestive system and aid in healthy digestion. Probiotics can be found in fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, as well as in supplement form. Incorporating probiotics into your diet can help prevent bloating by promoting healthy digestion. Avoid swallowing air. Swallowing air, whether by chewing gum, drinking through a straw, or talking while eating, can introduce excess air into the digestive system, leading to bloating. Avoiding these habits can help prevent bloating by minimizing the amount of air in the digestive system. Address medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or celiac disease, can contribute to bloating. If you are experiencing frequent bloating or digestive issues, it is important to speak with your healthcare provider to rule out any underlying medical conditions. In conclusion, bloating is a common and often uncomfortable digestive issue that can be prevented and managed with the right lifestyle changes. By identifying food triggers, eating smaller, more frequent meals, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, managing stress. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. We hope you found these tips and insights helpful in your journey to prevent bloating. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. And as always, we appreciate your support and feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching.